Every minute, exciting new technologies are being created throughout the world, and we just can't pass up the chance to tell you about them. That's why we've put together a new compilation of incredibly satisfying machines and ingenious tools. So, sit back and enjoy. Hurry, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell because we're about to break into the world of amazing mechanisms. While others are looking for the perfect vase, a 3D printer makes one just the way you want it. Just like that, a spinning lathe turns any log into a thin sheet of wood. A cable this thick can't be disassembled by hand, but a mechanism with sharp blades moving in opposite directions does an excellent job. A 3D printer can turn into a real sculptor if given the opportunity to work with concrete. And here's how one cool machine keeps the streets well-groomed. Painting of this kind helps prevent scorching and enhances the growth of the grass. Before you make the perfect Christmas cookie, 9 parts cooperate to form a mold for this cookie. Making this quantity of tortillas would take years without this tool. Air is blown into a small plastic mold that's been heated to 110 degrees Celsius, and a double-sided mold forms a 19-liter bottle out of it. Oh, 50 faucets spray a tar that immediately gets covered with gravel to create durable asphalt in minutes. This automatic earth damper does all the work for this guy. The crew would have been laying bricks for several months, but this beast can saw through a cliff. The accuracy of this metal marking machine is simply amazing. This 3D printer uses chalk-enriched filament to create masterpieces with a silky finish. The water pressure in this machine is strong enough to engrave a flawless design on glass and even metal. By filling the old pipe with an inliner, you can repair it without replacing it. Check out this hypnotic technique for evenly coloring silicone. Soldering with this device makes it look like somebody's doing magic outside of Hogwarts. True satisfaction is when a cutting device makes it possible to see the line between two sides of one piece. This high-pressure mop leaves streets spotless and sparkling. And this machine presses cotton right out in the field as soon as it's picked. These street markings couldn't be more perfect. This machine gets the fields ready for the next planting season in the most mesmerizing way. Imagine how powerful a machine must be to create giant spirals out of molten metal. How about these super thin slices of fish? This ridiculously powerful shredder gobbles up a metal tub as if it were made of plastic. It only takes a minute to make the perfect shuttlecock with this machine, but the quality of the final product is truly remarkable. Seeing the process of how these hair rollers are made is just as fascinating as the stunning hairstyles they can create. Watch as the shape of the metal is instantly transformed with a single touch. The wire coiling process is truly satisfying. Wow, even a 1968 penny can be transformed into a brand new one. Discover automated beading, which has made life so much easier for seamstresses. If you want us to show you more in the future, drop a hashtag #IWantOneMorePart in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. We'll catch you guys soon.